Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are exploring the world of beautiful and gorgeous loop crochet babies rompers designs ideas. Get ready to hook up some cutest with these stylish crochet babies rompers designs ideas, different patterns ideas. Hope so you like this video and different collections, so please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload the next video about your comment. First up, we have a beautiful floral rompers designs ideas perfect for spring season. Next, we are make a woodless themed romper for the little babies. Hope so you like this pattern and different collection. If you want more information about crochet work, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas. These rompers are gorgeous, factorize a delicate floral print pattern and a comfortable fit and gorgeous look. The woodless romper has a fun and playful designs with oval and trees. Hope so you like this pattern and different collection. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see. From sweet and simple to intricacy elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert crocheter, these designs ideas are perfect for you, for your babies, perfect for babies, shower, gift, or just because. We will show you how to create a beautiful texture using yarn and techniques, plus got tips on how to customize a beautiful crochet baby rompers designs ideas, the size, color, and embellishment to fit your little one's style and size. You can also add a personal touch with a special embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, zip, pockets, hood, and many more accessories you use and decor your baby rompers easily. And as a bonus, we'll give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize, how to create a crochet baby rompers designs ideas easily. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color, and embellishment to make this project unique and special. You can also add a personal touch with a special message or the baby's name. And thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorial, full detailed videos, full explanation videos. And please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next